Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to Chaudhry Kitchen. I hope you guys are all doing well. So today my mom will be making a Turkish stuffed flatbread with potato and cheese, and so she will be guiding you through the ingredients right now.
I took 3 medium-sized potato. I boil it and peel it. I have half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pomegranate powder, half teaspoon green chilli, few mint leaf finely chopped, 2 tablespoon green onion finely chopped, half cup marble cheese, 1 teaspoon red chilli flake, half teaspoon garlic powder, and half teaspoon black pepper powder. First we're gonna mash our potato. I already mashed the potato. Now we're gonna add other stuff. Salt, pomegranate powder, mint leaf and green chilli, green onion, black pepper, garlic powder, red chilli flake, and cheese.
So here my mom has prepared the dough. If you guys want the recipe to the dough, I'll put it down in the description box.
I took dough like this. Now I'm gonna flatten it with the roller. We're gonna put the filling. And fold it like this. I'm gonna sprinkle some more flour. We're gonna flatten it again. With the roller. This is the way we're gonna make all our bread.
So this is how it looks like. Beautiful. So we're gonna let this set for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna show you how to cook them.
I greased the pan with the butter. Now I'm gonna put my bread inside. Look. So we're gonna cook it on medium heat, okay? Here I have a melted butter and milk, 1 teaspoon melted butter and 2 tablespoon milk. So I'm gonna, with the brush, I'm gonna put on my bread. Here the first side is already cooked. I'm gonna change the side now. Here our bread is ready. This is the way we're gonna cook all the bread, okay?
So our Turkish flatbread is ready, and now my mom will cut it and show you guys on how it looks like from the inside.
Here. Look.
Wow.
It's look like this.
That looks delicious. So if you guys like the recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe. And hit your bell icons for more notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.